Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our brand new under-counter refrigerators. This is going to be a 47-inch, two-door under-counter refrigerator. It is an all stainless steel unit, very good quality. Brand on the unit is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and give you the exterior measurements for this unit. I'll also measure the inside for you. We'll go ahead and do that in just a bit. Starting with the length here, as I mentioned, we're looking at 47 inches. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 29.5 inches. And the overall height for this unit, you're looking at an overall of 35.5 inches high. Now the unit does have casters already installed, so it makes it easier for you to use the unit. Okay, now let's go ahead and show you the front inside here. Open up these doors, and once we open it up, you'll see that there is two shelves, one on each side, that will be provided for the unit. You also have a thermometer on the inside, and on the other side we have a sticker with certification, circuit diagram, and all the specs regarding this unit. You also will be provided with a manual for this unit. Okay, inside measurements, front to back, we're looking at 17.5. Left to right, you're looking at a total of 42.5 inches. And the overall height on the inside here, we're looking at 23 inches. Okay, so those are going to be your inside measurements for this under-counter refrigerator. Now, before we go here, I want to go ahead and show you the back of the unit. On the back, we'll be able to locate our plug. It is going to be a standard US plug located on the back. Also on the back, we have our temperature controller. Okay, so this is where temperature will be shown once the unit is on and running. You could also set your temperature if you want to go ahead and change the temp for this unit. You can simply do that on that same controller. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this 47-inch under-counter refrigerator. If you're interested in one of these items, you can go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. All details will be on the website, including the exact price for this model. Now, if you have any other questions before purchasing, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.